Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to figure out the vector projection of 3, 5 onto 4, 2, and also the vector projection of 2, 1 onto 3, 4. So let's dive in. All right, so first things first, what is the general equation for the projection of A onto B? Well, in general, the projection of A onto B is equal to A dot B over B dot B times B. Okay, so in this case, we want to find the projection of 3, 5 onto 4, 2. So therefore, we're going to let A be 3, 5, and B is going to be 4, 2. And something I want to make clear is that we can't just switch these around. We can't just have A be 4, 2 and B be 3, 5, because then this would find the projection of 4, 2 onto 3, 5, and that's not what the question wants. The question specifically wants the projection of 3, 5 onto 4, 2 in that order. Okay, so let's figure this out then. First things first, what is A dot B? Well, A dot B is going to be equal to 3 times 4 plus 5 times 2, which is equal to 12 plus 10, which is equal to 22. Then what about B dot B? Well, B dot B is going to be 4 times 4, or 4 squared. So 4 times 4 plus 2 squared, or 2 times 2, which is equal to 16 plus 4, which is equal to 20. And so therefore, the projection of A onto B is equal to 22 over 20, and then times B, 4 comma 2, like that. And then 22 divided by 20, recall that's the same as 11 over 10, or 1.1. And so therefore it's 1.1 times 4 comma 2, and 1.1 times 4 would be 4.4. 1.1 times 2 is 2.2. So just recall our scalar multiplication, how we multiply the 1.1 by 4 and also the 1.1 by 2 as well. And there we go. This is our end result, that this is the projection of A onto B, right? The projection of 3, 5 onto 4, 2 is 4.4, 2.2. All right, now we'll do one last example and find the vector projection of 2, 1 onto 3, 4. So once again, I'm just going to start by writing our general equation. The projection of A onto B is equal to A dot B over B dot B times B. And in this case, A is equal to 2, 1, and B is equal to 3, 4. And A dot B is equal to 2 times 3 plus 1 times 4, which is equal to 6 plus 4, which is 10. B dot B is equal to 3 times 3 plus 4 times 4, which is equal to 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25. So therefore, the projection of A onto B is equal to 10 over 25 times 3 comma 4. Now 10 over 25, that's the same thing as 2/5. If we reduce that. And so therefore the final answer here would be 6 over 5, comma 8 over 5. And if we do want to put that in decimal form, that is 1.2, comma 1.6, like that. And there we go. And I guess we can't see that. There we go. Now you can see that. All right, well, that is all for today. As always, if you have any questions, please leave those down in the comment section, and we'll see you for the next one.